First, let me hop out the motherfucker Porsche. I don't wanna hit that long shit like a horse. I be ballin' on this.
Good morning, beautiful world. I'm about to head on out. I have a wedding to do this morning. It's Monday morning. Yeah, so I'm gonna head out to my driver now. I think he's outside waiting on me and my sister. We're on Crush Road today. After that, we're going on the road to do some shopping. So let's start our day. It's early, really early for me. Really early for me. It's like after 7 in the morning. Yeah, my nana gonna say like that's not really early, but for me it's kind of early. So let's go.
For the lady, never sleep production, baby.
Alright guys, so I'm finished doing the bridal party. Yeah, I think I'm gonna be doing this as a makeover Mondays. Not sure. She showed me there. Seriously, nigga? That's a beast. Like, suppose, you know why I'm gonna run? Because them say them that thing is so easy. Curls on flake. Curls on flake. You see that? Her ear look fake though. But like the curl where she get man with her and his curling rods do it, you know. And this is how much days ago now you do this, Shami? 4 days ago. 4. And you can't believe it says 4 days ago that do. 4 days. Amazing. I love it. I can't wait for my ear grow up so long. I can't write it up so tough. I don't know, I might do it so when I take out that ear. Guys, I have in this hair long, don't I know. It's been done, I mean, about 3 or 4 weeks now I have it in my head. Never really worn a hairstyle that long since recently. But I really can't bother for comb my hair, that's why. Like this, you just literally put something on, a bandana or something, and you go. Kerchief. No, this isn't a kerchief. Oh. This isn't a kerchief. If you don't notice, every time when I see me with something on my head, don't. I just can't bother. I'm just tired on my ear because it's kind of like whatever for me because I'm not like too stressing it or whatever, you know. But yeah.
I know you think I'm happy. Is that really what you see? Ooh, but take a good look at me.
Back home, resting off. You know, I'm tired. You know, because I woke up so early, I still feel asleep. So feel tired, but I'm gonna go back on the road. My way from mommy, sugar baby. I had to take off that jacket that I had on because, bruh, it is scorching hot outside. See? So I had to take that off. My lips feel dry. I'm going to put some gloss on them. I'm not tired to see that lip color, you know, though. But I love it. I'm just so obsessed with it. Like, I love it. How many nails them want to do? I'm going to nail it, but I'm not go to the some finger them look shot. But, yeah. Hey, hey, hey. So, we're leaving now. To the bus here. To the bus here. Mom is the one. One. Turn to the part of the lighting. So, what going on, mommy? Say hello to your people. They love you, no, mommy? They love you.
Really?
Yes, say something to them.
Hi, people. What's up?
You appreciate the love and
Yeah. I've been here.
the two they're twinning. They're twinning. Shami and mommy twinning right now. So hey, she taking a picture. She taking a look at her. So it's a like mother-daughter's day. We're just gonna chill. You know, we're just gonna chill and come back home.
Okay.
Okay.
That's the wrap.
It's a wrap. The vlog not done yet though. Yeah, I took off the jacket. Time too hot. I can't manage it. It's like Cardi right. Wait, how you pronounce it, mommy? How you pronounce?
Cardi.
Look, you like my lippy, mommy? I put gloss on it because the mattifying thing was drying. Yes, mommy, sing it.
I'm not
Mama, go stop out this first to pay the floor bill.
Yeah, but more stuff on. Yeah.
Let's see. Could have managed to wear the jacket there at all. I remember it was long sleeve and me there. Yeah, man.
You know, them said this morning I was watching Smile Jamaica and them said it's from March. It has been intense.
Yeah, man, it really wicked. Yeah. We can't manage it at all. It's really bad. But this lighting, can we talk about this lighting? Can we talk about this lighting?
The what? The lighting?
Nothing, mommy.
I did not hear.
You know, when she going to school, you know, guys, like, when she going to school, the hair look like crap. Every day it's in a one. She look popped down. She just look like blah. I know that she not gonna wear. She be fleeky. What? And yes, this is mommy. This is the outfit of the day. You know, she's wearing a Yes, mom, stop going like you don't like it, man. Stop going like you don't like it. She love going to see. Love going to see. Watch her, blush.
Please.
Please, I'm not.
The sun is too hot and please don't let it get hot.
And hair products.
Do you really feel my pain? You never know how much you mean to me. I swear to God, if I could make you see. Time and time I try to lie to myself, saying I don't love you, but it just doesn't help. Girl, I can stay away. I can stay away from you. You'll never know how it feels to be.
I have to buy one smoothie.
You know, I'm so tempted to squeeze that thing in your face.
No. When you squeeze bumps, it leaves spots. Squeeze there one, so one here. So one here, right? Yes, right, like what? Turn
no,
on.
I'm gonna go home and squeeze it.
White. You want me to make my bust it for you? Me not care where you want to stay. It going to stay there. It going to fade by tomorrow morning.
Really?
Believe. No, true thing. You buying it, mommy? You buying it?
Girl.
Smoothie. You buying?
In my predicament, the girl I love so dearly is in love with someone else. I try to
Pineapple, coconut. Probably you feel like them just blend up the coconuts with the pineapple.
Some coconut.
It's a mixture.
walk away from you, but never find the strength. I gambled with my heart, but never cashed in on the bet. You never.
I just wanna be good. I don't know the lyrics. That looks like a pretty busy day. It's what? It's Monday? Yeah, that's probably because it's back to school.
No, and I guess because Saturday was holiday.
Oh yeah, and a lot of places. Where? After I'm in the street in a lane. See me? And when you walk, come to watch you black hair stop low. Yeah, nah move. What?
Oh,
I know it was a strawberry thing. And you know what's the deal like? Y'all ganging up on they ganging up on me.
Cause she love what she know everything.
Stop mommy. She push it out in the road.
She have camera on her, she feel like she has somebody.
It's my camera though. It's my camera though. That me I go do. Come out of the road, man. What you know we go the wrong way? We go the wrong way. Right.
I know where I'm going.
I know how much you mean to me. I swear to God, if I could make you see. Time and time I try to lie to myself, saying I don't love you, but it just doesn't help. Girl, I can stay away. I can stay away from you. Loving
Eat up the patty and the cocoa bread. Eat it up, the shami. Eat it up. I'm gonna take it out for you. No? I'm now play. I'm done. I'm not doing anything. What's your deal? I'm going to edit this vlog now, guys. As you can see, I'm back at home. Yes, the whole of my lip gloss wear off. I'm so tired. My feet. I want to sleep. Oh my gosh, lipstick up on my chin all this time. Is I don't know. Jesus Christ. Bruh, I'm not though. I'm not laughing with you though. You're not cute. You're not cute. But yeah, so I'm gonna done the vlog right here. So I'm really not seeing my vlog. Why you hating though? Hi. Hola. She on fleek outfit of the day. So that's what she's wearing to the wedding. Turn around now. Yeah, my 360 view. Yes. On fleek.